Hey everyone, Brandy here. I am the Quilter on Fire. If you've ever hovered over a workshop description thinking, that looks amazing, but I'm probably not ready for that. Or, I love the idea of screen printing or art quilting, but that feels kind of intimidating for me. Well, this video is for you. I'm teaching at Quilters Affair in Sisters, Oregon in July 2026. Let's break down what you'll actually learn in each of my Quilters Affair classes. But before we get started, here's the truth. These workshops are not for people who already have it all figured out. They're for people who are curious and maybe even a little nervous, but ready to try something new with support. Almost every student who walks into my art quilting classroom says some version of one of these things. I've never done this before, or I'm afraid I'll mess it up, or I don't think I'm artistic enough. And I want you to know that's exactly who I designed these classes for. I'm a judge. I taught thousands of quilters over the years, and I also remember what it feels like to be a beginner in the room. My job isn't to impress you. It's to guide you step by step, so you leave the class thinking, oh, I can actually do this. Here's what you'll learn in each workshop. Inksations. This is a one-day class. It's fear-free screen printing. Look at how simple this tile print is. You're simply going to learn the screen printing effect. If the words screen printing make your shoulders tense up, I invite you to take a moment to just breathe. This class assumes zero experience. We cut the fabric too big, we screen print lots of extras with room for misprints, and then we cut them to size to fit into our table runner. There's no pressure, no perfection, just clear, simple steps. And it's a finished piece you're proud of by the end of the day. The second full day class is Sunset Silhouette. This workshop has easy to choose fabrics and it's fat quarter friendly. You will learn how to create an easy pieced gradation background. It's beginner friendly, black on black free motion quilting, and yes, the laser cut tree is a breeze to press in place and start stitching. You'll have the full art quilt topper finished and quilted in a day. And we have the Stitch and Style tote bag. 3 days of more joy and less overwhelm. That's literally my tagline. 3 days doesn't mean harder. It means slower, deeper, and more supported. It's so fun and easy to paint on fabric, and we stick to one color palette, so it's so easy to match our new handmade fabric with scraps from our stash. You can pick your favorite color, right? We explore simple piecing and finer techniques all over the front and back of the bag. And day 3 is simple bag assembly with a professional pattern. So if you're not quite finished, you get to take it home and you have the pattern with you. We build skills in layers so you're never lost, never rushed, and you're never feeling left behind. If you've been waiting for a sign that it's okay to try something new like art quilting or screen printing, this is it. You don't need confidence first. You don't need experience first. You don't need to call yourself an artist first. You just need curiosity and a willingness to show up. I'd truly love to have you in the room with me. Registration is now open for Quilters Affair 2026, and I hope you'll say yes to yourself. Sign up today for any of my 3 workshops at stitchandpost.com/education.